how to do long division. Okay, so you want your divisor, which is the number you're dividing it by here, your dividend here. And then you say, can 4 go into 3? No, it cannot. So then you add this extra 1. Can 4 go into 31? And you say yes. So how many times? So we know 4 times 10 is 40, so that's too much. But then half of that is 5, so 4 times 5 is 20. And then we can fit 2 more, so we can fit 7. If we added 8, then it'd be too much. It'd be 32. So right now we can do 7. 28. Then we get 3. And then we say, can 4 go into 3? No, it can't, so we bring down the 2. We say, can 4 go into 32? Yes, it can. It can go in 8 times. As we mentioned, oh, whoops, I put a 8 instead of a 3. Then we get 0 here. And 4 times what is equal to 32? That was 8. So we write that up here. And we have our answer. Okay. So yes, this is our answer, and to check our work, we can use the reverse operation, which is multiplication. I might talk about more about the lattice method in another video, but I'll just briefly explain it in this one. So what I'm going to use to calculate this to see if it's right. Okay, so you put one number up here, and one number here, and you give all of them their own columns, and the ones on the side their own rows. Then you draw diagonal lines like this, and then you do multiplication, like 8 times 4 is 32, and you put the ones in the bottom right, the tens in the top left, and then same over here, 28. And then you add all the numbers in like these different diagonal strips. So it would be 2, 11, and we carry over the 1, and we get 3. And guess what? That is the same as this. That means our answer of 78 is correct. Correct. So 312 divided by 4. I'm just making this into a statement. Is equal to 78. And you can do these with any number. Hope this was helpful.